Hey everyone, it's Miss Kale. I want to talk to you today about your online platforms that we're going to be using to assess you, to give you extra practice. And I want to go back to Zoom really quickly. One of the things that Mrs. Hayes talked about was having a quiet environment and making sure, sit down, I'm trying to Zoom! Making sure that it's not only quiet, but you don't have people running in and out of your Zoom so that you can do that successfully. Another thing that you really need to make sure is that when you're on Zoom, you must have your video up and you cannot have a frozen screen, okay? You're gonna stay muted, but you need to be visible so that we know that you're paying attention, okay? Just a few reminders about Zoom. I'm going to talk about, the first and foremost, I'm going to talk about the big platform that we're using is Google Classroom. Google Classroom is going to act as the hub for everything, announcements, assignments, videos that are posted. We're going to post it to Google Classroom, so make sure that you are logging into that. And again, you're going to do that through school. Your school email, and most likely your teachers will probably have you already added. But again, if you forget or you don't remember how, it's the same thing. Just use your school email. Speaking of email, it is very important that anytime something is posted to Google Classroom, you will receive a notification via email. So make sure that you are signing in again to your school email to get those notifications. Okay, that is very, very important. And if you're not sure or confused what we're trying to tell you, just reach out and ask. The next couple things I want to talk about involve actual learning, which we're going to use a platform called Edulastic. We're going to use a platform Quizlet, which you're all familiar with. Khan Academy, which we used in 7th grade back in the spring, but we're only going to use that for extra practice. And of course, we're going to use Alex, okay, like we did last year. It is very important that you are logging in to all of those platforms when you are asked to. You're not going to have to do that every single day, okay? Maybe Monday and Tuesday we'll have you on an Edulastic, and then Wednesday you're on Quizlet or Quizzies even, and then Fridays are used for Alex. Just make sure on each day that you are on the platform that we ask for you to be on, okay? I think that's about it. I know it's a lot of information, and your teachers will make sure that you have all the necessary information to be successful on each of those platforms for this year. Again, if you have any questions, please reach out. Go Warriors!